So now I'm going to show you how to cast off your stitches. So to start, we're now on a knit row. So we're just going to knit the first stitch as normal. So just wrap round, push through to the front and then off that left hand needle. We're now going to work the second stitch exactly the same. That round. So now to cast off, we're going to take that first stitch that we knitted, we're just going to pick it up and place it over that second stitch and then off the needle. So now you've only got one stitch. Then to continue, we're going to knit the next stitch. And again, we're going to take that first stitch on the right and take it over the left one. And then we've cast off 2 stitches. So we're just going to keep going along the row, just placing that first stitch over the second. And make sure not to pull your stitches too tight, otherwise your cast off will be really tight and it will take your work out of shape. And just pick it up and place it over and over the needle. And go all the way to the last stitch. So knit your last stitch, place it onto your right hand needle. Again, just take that first one over the last stitch and then just make that loop a little bit bigger. Cut your end and just bring the end through that loop and pull to secure. And there you've got a nice, neat cast off edge.